Yes, guys. So now I'm gonna show you that it worked. So I save $100 here, $150. I'm just testing the cluster here. I don't know if you could see it, and I just plug in the battery to show you guys that it worked. So that replacement there, you see the Novita there. You can see the little clip. It turns out that my other flasher went bad, and it happens, so don't get discouraged. Let me just show you that it's working. So you put the ignition on, and then you have your cluster there. I'm about to mount it, but I'm just gonna show you that indeed it works. Let me see. Let's do a left turn. See, it didn't work yesterday, now it's working. So let's do a right one. It sounds even different from the other flasher. So I did a good job, and at the same time I saved $150 for all those people that say you cannot do it or it's hard work. I'm showing you that you can. It is hard work. Don't get me wrong. It is hard work. It is a pain in the butt. But once you know that you finish, and like me today, I'm happy that I was able to fix this on my own. Of course, with a little help of some of the internet forums and some guys that know what they're doing. They put it on the internet. So I'm going to be posting their postings if you're having an issue with the same thing I was having. And very good luck, very happy day to you if you're going to be working on this. Once you save $150 and you did it on your own, you're going to feel very, very different. Of course, I'm not done here. I'm just showing you that it worked. So right now what I have to do is unplug the battery and put everything back together, screw it down, and then retest it again with all the parts there plugged in to their proper places. And guess what? I don't have to worry about the cops pulling me over because my flashers are not working. That's always an awesome feeling. Thanks for watching. To all those technologists or people that like to do things themselves, again, I'll look for schematics on the Previa and the fuse box. Also, I forgot to tell you, while you're at it, check your fuse box over here. Your all your your components here. You need some schematics. I'll look for some in the internet or in a manual. Thanks for watching, and this is what a technologist does. You can do it.